Despite what we might think of ourselves, no one is perfect. There are so many traps we can fall into, often without realizing. Welcome to Forever Finance, where we want to live our lives our own way. Number 7 caught me out for a long time, and I didn't even notice. Stick around to make sure it doesn't catch you as well. First up is one we have all fallen for at some point. In today's digital age, subscriptions are everywhere. From streaming services and meal kits to fitness apps and premium news sites, it's easy to lose track of how many subscriptions you're paying for. While these services can be convenient and enjoyable, they can also add up quickly. But you're saying to yourself, surely I won't miss that $15 per month. Imagine you're subscribed to 4 different streaming platforms, a monthly meal kit, 2 fitness apps, and a premium news service. Each service might seem affordable on its own, but together they can easily cost over $100 a month. That's $1,200 a year. So how do we fix this? Take inventory of all your subscriptions, ask yourself which ones you use regularly and which ones you can live without. Consider downgrading to a cheaper plan or canceling subscriptions that you don't use frequently. Use a subscription management app to keep track of your active subscriptions and avoid unnecessary expenses. Impulse shopping is another major money trap that many fall into, especially with the rise of online shopping. It's all too easy to make spontaneous purchases with just a few clicks, often for items you don't really need. Physical and online stores have been designed to get us shoppers to spend more money. You might see a flash sale for clothing, gadgets, or home decor and think, why not? Before you know it, you've spent hundreds of dollars on items that end up collecting dust. Implement a 24-hour rule for non-essential purchases. If you see something you want to buy, wait a day before making the purchase. This gives you time to consider if you really need the item or if it's just an impulse. Additionally, create a shopping list and stick to it, whether you're shopping online or in-store. If you have found this or any of our videos helpful, please like or subscribe. It helps the channel continue to reach more people, while telling us more about what you want to see. One of the biggest financial mistakes is not having a budget. Without a budget, it's difficult to keep track of your income and expenses, which can lead to overspending and financial stress. Let's say you earn $3,000 a month. Without a budget, you might spend $500 on dining out, $200 on coffee, and $300 on entertainment, leaving little for savings or essential expenses. How can we make sure our spendings aren't getting away from us? Create a budget that outlines your monthly income, fixed expenses like rent, utilities, and insurance, variable expenses like groceries and entertainment, and savings goals. Use budgeting tools, apps, or even pen and paper to help you track your spending and adjust as needed. A budget gives you control over your finances and ensures you're living within your means while working towards your goals. In this modern age, there are many things that can cause us stress. Debt can be overwhelming, and it's tempting to ignore it, hoping it will go away on its own. However, ignoring debt can lead to higher interest rates, late fees, and a negative impact on your borrowing capacity. Say, for example, you have a credit card balance of $5,000 with an interest rate of 20%, which is well below the highest rates. Ignoring this debt means you'll accrue $1,000 in interest annually, making it even harder to pay off the balance and taking you further away from your goals. Face your debt head-on. List all your debts, including the balance, interest rate, and minimum monthly payment. Develop a debt repayment plan, such as the snowball method, which involves paying off the smallest debts first, or the avalanche method, that has you paying off the debts with the highest interest rates first. Consider consolidating your debts to get a lower interest rate and streamline your payments. Whatever strategy you choose, pick one and take action. We all know that true financial success takes time. The allure of get-rich-quick schemes is strong, especially when financial times are tough. These schemes promise high returns with little effort, but they often end up costing you more money. You might come across an investment opportunity that guarantees a 50% return in just a few months. Intrigued by the promise of quick wealth, you invest $2,000, only to find out later that the scheme was a scam and you've lost your money. The ACCC reported that Australians lost more than $2.7 billion in 2023, and this number continues to climb. Be skeptical of any investment opportunity that sounds too good to be true. Do thorough research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stick to proven investment strategies and avoid shortcuts to wealth. If you are finding this video helpful, share it with a friend or family member. Financial education needs to be shared to everyone. Saving money is crucial for financial stability and future goals, yet many people neglect it, either because they think they can't afford to save or because they don't prioritize it. Without a savings plan, you might find yourself living payday to payday with no cushion for emergencies or unexpected expenses. This can lead to financial stress and reliance on credit cards or loans. How do we make sure we avoid this stress? Make saving a priority by setting up automatic transfers to your savings account. Start with a small, achievable goal, like saving $500 for an emergency fund, and gradually increase your savings over time. Set your automated transfers to a limit that does not cause further financial strain. Consider opening a high-yield savings account to maximize your interest earnings. This next one was more important in my life than I realized. Investing in yourself is one of the best ways to secure your financial future, yet many people overlook it. This includes education, skills development, and personal growth. I had reached the limit of what I could achieve in my career. Getting my master's not only opened up new doors to me, but gave me confidence to go through those doors to bigger and better things. You might avoid taking a professional development course because of the upfront cost, even though it could lead to a higher paying job in the future. Or you might neglect your health and well-being, leading to higher medical expenses down the road. You are your most valuable asset. You should always protect your assets. View self-investment as a long-term strategy. Allocate a portion of your budget for courses, certifications, or workshops that can enhance your career prospects. There are plenty of development courses that are made available for free. Prioritize your health by investing in regular exercise, healthy eating, and preventive care. Remember, investing in yourself pays the best dividends in the long run. In the age of social media, it's easy to compare your financial situation to others, leading to unnecessary spending and financial stress. Seeing others' highlight reels can make you feel like you need to keep up, even if it means going into debt. You might see friends posting about expensive holidays, new cars, or lavish weddings, and feel pressured to match their lifestyle, even if it's beyond your budget. Focus on your own financial goals and values, rather than trying to keep up with others. Remind yourself that social media often showcases the best moments, and not the full financial picture. Create a vision board or financial plan that aligns with your personal values and long-term goals. Stay disciplined and remember that financial stability and independence are more important than impressing others. Avoiding these 8 money traps can significantly improve your financial health and set you on the path to achieving your financial goals in 2024. Check out this video to learn about the habits of the wealthy that will help you achieve those goals. And we will see you next time on Forever Finance.